Right, this is just for my Ford boy. This is actually episode 5 in looking at my external power supply. He wanted me to take this right off so that we could see if there was any contact between the steels, the protective wrapping, and see whether there was any way that they'd been crushed and gone into the cable instead of what they are doing, which is they go up the outside of this here. And I would say that looks absolutely perfect. So there we are, mate. Because in the previous video, or actually it was 3 episodes ago now, I should think, I only undid that bit to take that side out. I didn't actually undo that bit because I didn't have the right spanners, but I made do with what I've got there. And yes, it's off. They look absolutely fine, all splayed out in the right way, so they're not going the wrong way and digging into the cable in any way, shape or form. Hope that's clear. Can I put a light on it just so we can shine it inside? Looks like this one's actually been done by a professional. Right, so there we go. That bit is fine. Those steels are not digging into the central cable. I mean, we knew that anyway because we'd measured the resistance, but we've checked. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.